Hello everyone. Do evaporative air coolers works as well as air conditioners? I am Ahmed Abdurrahman from Springday, and in this video I will answer this question. This depends on the way each of them works. The air conditioners works by delivering the temperature in the place to the desired temperature. Maybe it will be 22, 20, 18. You can control it. As for the evaporative coolers, the temperature decreases according to the temperature of the water entering it. Whenever the water is cold or there is ice, the evaporative cooler decreases the temperature of the place more by a temperature of 20 degrees, less than the original place temperature. For example, if the original place temperature is 40, then we put cold water or we put ice. The temperature will be turned to 20, just 20. While that, the evaporative coolers maintenance process is very easy, and he doesn't need to pre-installation, doesn't consume a lot of electric, unlike the air conditioners, and its price is very cheap compared to the normal air conditioners. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in comments, or you can call us in WhatsApp, or you can send us email. Okay, thank you very much.